Your laptop turns on, power light is on, fan is running, but the display shows only a white screen, no logo, no text. Before you panic or replace expensive parts, watch this carefully. In most cases, this problem is fixable at home. Welcome to Tech Vibes. I am speaking as a technician step by step, exactly how we diagnose a laptop white screen issue in real repair work. First, understand what a white screen means. A white screen usually indicates that the backlight is working, but image data is not reaching the display panel properly. This points to display signal issues, not power failure. Step 1. Perform a hard reset. Shut down the laptop completely. Disconnect the charger. Remove the battery if it is removable. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. This clears static electricity and resets the display controller. Reconnect power and turn the laptop on. Many white screen cases are solved at this stage. Step 2. Test with an external monitor. Connect the laptop to an external monitor or television using HDMI or VGA. If the external display works normally, the graphics chip is healthy. The problem is inside the laptop display assembly, not the motherboard. Step 3. Check the display cable connection. This is the most common real-world cause. Inside the laptop, a flat ribbon cable connects the motherboard to the LCD panel. Due to movement, heat, or minor drops, this cable becomes loose. Open the laptop display bezel carefully. Reseat the cable firmly on both the motherboard side and the panel side. Technicians fix more than 50% of white screen issues by reseating this cable alone. Step 4. Inspect the LCD cable for damage. If reseating does not help, check the cable for bends, cuts, or burn marks. A damaged cable cannot carry image signals properly and causes a white screen. Replacing the cable is low cost and highly effective. Step 5. Test the LCD panel itself. If the cable is good, the LCD panel may be faulty. White screen with no flicker often means the panel's internal driver board has failed. Panel replacement is the final solution in this case. Step 6. Rule out graphics chip failure. If both internal and external screens show white, the graphics chip or motherboard display circuit is faulty. This requires professional repair and is not a do-it-yourself fix. Important technician advice: never press the screen hard. Never update BIOS blindly. Never replace the motherboard without testing cable and panel first. This is Tech Vibes, real solutions, real repair logic, no guessing.